Yes, please. आपके हिसाब से बजट क्या है? Had you heard this word earlier, or it is for the first time what you are hearing this word?
Sir, basically budgetary control means it is a type of system from which we can control our budget system. Cost control, we can say.
नितिन, मेरा क्वेश्चन था बजट क्या होता है?
सर बजट मीन्स हम लोग को एनालाइज करते हैं कि किस फील्ड में हमको कितना एक्सपेंडिचर करना है. दैट्स अ सिंपल मीनिंग ऑफ दैट. या फिर इनकम किधर से हमको कितना जनरेट होगा.
जस्ट एक सेकंड में ना, एक सेकंड. ये जो बजट वर्ड है, आप पहली बार सुन रहे हो या आपने पहले भी सुना है? ऑफ कोर्स आपने जो बोला कि कॉस्ट का प्लानिंग इन एडवांस, टू सम एक्सटेंट इट इज राइट. अदर देन नितेश, see, budgeting is something which is known as planning in advance. Okay, whereby we plan something and then we execute those plans, and we always try to see whether we are going right or wrong. Even आपने देखा रहेगा when it comes to our family expenditure or our own expenditure or our other process. Am I audible? आप लोग को आवाज सुनाई दे रही है ना? So I can take you the your own budgeting when you used to get the pocket money and you used to spend certain amount on that. तो हम लोग उसमें से जो भी ट्रैवलिंग कॉस्ट होता था या फिर जो we used to incur as a lunch cost or breakfast के लिए जो खर्चा करते थे. So I was discussing with you all regarding budgeting. Whenever there is a budgeting, we have planning in advance. So in budgetary control, we have different kind of budget. You must be knowing there is a sales budget, there is a purchase budget, there is a fixed budget, there is a cash budget. For every activity what company does, there is a assistance to that, adjourn to that. There is a budget well in advance. May it be at micro level, may it be at macro level. Everywhere budgeting plays a very vital role, and with budgeting we go with the execution of actual, and then you can have the actual comparative study whether we are going on the right track or we are going on the wrong track, and which kind of changes is required, so on and so forth. So in budgeting, particularly in your syllabus, we have two kind of budget. One is flexible budget, another is cash budget. So and other budgets as well, which I am going to discuss in due course. So let us first discuss about flexible budget. What is the need of flexible budget? Say for example, you must have seen during pandemic, there were not fixed kind of demand, or over a period of time, suppose you were selling or producing at the level of 100%, but all of a sudden there was a reduction in demand. So what the company does at a different level of activity, they always make a budget. Suppose if we will produce at 60% level of activity, what could be my estimated cost, total cost, or estimated profit? Or if I am operating at 80%, or I'm operating at 90%, or if I'm working 100 or more than 100%, what could be the approximately kind of total cost, and subsequently what kind of uh, profitability we are going to earn at a different level of operation. So that is what is flexible budget. In budgeting, of course, as I told you, every concept is very important, maybe from sales, from production to purchase, to raw material, everything. But everywhere there is a, suppose, even for HR, you must have seen, you must have read in HRM. First, it is always start with how much human resource you require. Then accordingly, those recruitment, selection, advertisement, everything goes hand on hand. So planning is very important and vital role. Controlling in is another very vital aspect of budgeting, which we need to. Coordination is also very important. So this is how the budgeting goes. And of course, when you prepare the budget, it needs to communicate. You need to coordinate. Motivation and everything is very much required in budgeting. So there are different kind of budget, and all budget merged together is going to create a master budget for all of us. So that is what today we are going to learn flexible budget. Illustration 2, page number 129. Why I'm taking this budget at the beginning? Because it is more or less what we have learned in marginal costing, in managerial decision, uh, segregation of cost in variable and fixed in nature, or semi-variable in nature, and then subsequently we need to compute the total cost based on different level of operations. So this is the question. A manufacturing company operating at 75% of its full capacity, it is proposed to offer a reduction of price from 5% to 10% depending upon volume desired. Even below data is given at 75% activities is given, at 85% activities is given, at 100% activities is given. And these are the fixed overhead, that means fixed production overhead, fixed selling and distribution overhead. These are the variable overhead, variable selling and administration overhead, and variable production overhead. Prepare a statement showing the fixed cost, variable cost, total cost, profit at 75% level of activity, at 85% level of activity, at 100% level of activity, and indicate among this which is most profitable. So this is an example of flexible budget. So we'll prepare the flexible budget. So kindly start writing in your notebook. So we are there on illustration number 2, page number 129, and we are making the flexible budget at 75%, 85%, and 100% activity. Make a format, then we proceed further. Completed, dear student? लिख लिया आप लोगों ने? Can we proceed further? Okay, thank you, Sitija. What is given? At 75% level of activity, we have unit 75, at 85, 85, and 100%, 100. 1 lakh units. So we did. We have segregated flexible budget at 75%. We have created a CPU column also, 85%, and likewise for 100%. Now, what details are given? These details are given for 75% or 75,000 units. Selling price, we are not very much concerned. Now, let us go for material cost per unit, 40 rupees. That is 40. What will be the total cost then? 40 multiplied by 75,000. How much we are going to get? Quickly. Hello? Sorry. So 40 per unit for 75,000 unit. How much will be the total cost? Tell me quickly, man. $30 lakhs? Yes or no? Similarly, we have wages 10 rupees per 10 into 75,000. How much it will be? 7,50,000. Yes or no? अरे आप लोग कोई रिस्पॉन्स ही नहीं दे रहे. Similarly, variable cost, variable overhead, which is given in the question, 4,40,000 and 14 lakh. This is for full capacity. Full capacity म्हणजे at 100%. So at 100% we will write how much it is given. 4,40,000 and 14 lakh. So per unit cost will be how much? Because variable cost always goes with the per unit basis. 4 rupees 40 paisa, right? And this will be 14 rupees. Same rate will be applicable here. अब इसको multiply करो 4 rupees 40 paisa into 75,000. How much you will get? 75,000 into 4 rupees 40 paisa. 3,30,000. Similarly, 75,000 into 14. 10,50,000. Okay. The fixed overhead is given. Fixed overhead is given 14 lakh and 5 lakh. It will remain constant. It will remain constant. Total cost will remain constant wherever we'll go. So 14 lakh for 75,000 units. How much per unit rate you will get? 14 lakh divided by 75,000. Sorry. 14 lakh. 18 rupees 67 paise. And similarly, 5 lakh divided by 75, you get 6 rupees 67 paise. If I'll add all these things, we get the total cost. Right? Selling price is given. Selling price per unit is given. Here it is at 96 rupees. The balancing figure will be my profit. Yes? Can we do it for other two columns also? ये तो 14 rupees ही रहेगा. It will be 14 only. 5 lakh 5 rupees होगा. इसका per unit will remain same. Sorry, at 100% there is some changes. They are saying at 100% the material cost will reduce at 15%. Labor cost will remain 10 rupees. It is 10 only. But it will reduce by 15%. So कितना आएगा 15%? 10% will be 4 rupees. 5% will be 6 rupees. 40 minus 15, 34 rupees. 34 lakhs. Similarly, we will get the total cost per unit rate. Selling price is given for 100%. Quickly, how much is the selling price? 10% off in selling price. So 96 का 10% off करोगे 9.6 rupees off हो जाएगा. 86 rupees 40 paise. This is the selling price. So balancing will be your profit. Same way 85 का आपको करके लाना है. ठीक है? I'll continue tomorrow with the same topic. Yes or no? Have you got this? But different level they wanted to make the budget. So अगर 75% हुआ, so this will be cost. अगर 85% हुआ, this will be total cost, and this will be profit. So at different level of activity, I can have a budget in advance. Let it get any kind of production. We will have execution properly because we have budget in advance. We know what will be the cost, what will be the profit, what will be the sales, so on and so forth. I'll continue with the a few more questions based on flexible budget. So don't worry, those who have not attended, they may refer my videos on YouTube, or I'll continue few more questions based on flexible budget. Okay, in subsequent lecture.